Looking for the best Garrett metal detectors in 2026? In this video, we review the top-performing Garrett models for beginners and professionals alike. From high-precision goal detection to rugged all-terrain performance, we break down features, depth accuracy, and value for money. Whether you're beach hunting or searching for buried treasure, these Garrett detectors deliver reliability and power. Watch now to find your perfect metal detecting companion. Number 3. The Garrett ACE 300 metal detector is a user-friendly and reliable option for adults who want to get started in metal detecting without sacrificing performance. Made in the USA, this detector combines simplicity with essential features that make treasure hunting both fun and efficient. One of its standout features is the digital target ID, which uses a 0 to 99 numeric scale to help identify the conductivity of detected metals. This makes it easier to distinguish valuable items like coins or jewelry from unwanted debris. The improved iron resolution enhances discrimination, allowing users to better separate good targets from iron trash, reducing unnecessary digging. The ACE 300 also includes electronic pinpointing, a non-motion all-metal mode that helps users accurately locate targets once detected. This feature is especially useful for faster recovery and more precise digging. Additionally, the adjustable frequency minimizes interference from nearby electronics or other detectors, ensuring a smoother detecting experience. Its waterproof surge coil allows for use in shallow water, wet sand, and muddy conditions, adding versatility for beach or outdoor exploration. The included surge coil cover helps protect against wear and tear, extending the life of the device. User reviews highlight its ease of use and effectiveness. One user found a lost wedding ring within minutes, while another praised its performance compared to other brands. Overall, the Garrett ACE 300 is a great entry-level metal detector that delivers accuracy, durability, and enjoyable results. Number 2. The Garrett ACE 400 metal detector is a well-rounded and dependable choice for both beginners and intermediate treasure hunters. Built with user-friendly features and solid performance, it offers excellent value for those looking to explore metal detecting with confidence. One of its key features is the digital target ID, which uses a 0 to 99 numeric scale to help identify the conductivity of detected objects. This allows users to better distinguish between valuable items like coins and unwanted junk. The iron audio feature adds another layer of precision by letting you hear iron targets before digging, helping avoid wasting time on bottle caps, nails, and other debris. The ACE 400 also includes electronic pinpointing, making it easier to accurately locate targets once detected. This non-motion all-metal mode speeds up recovery and reduces unnecessary digging. Additionally, the adjustable frequency helps minimize interference from nearby electronics or other detectors, ensuring smoother operation in various environments. Durability is enhanced with the included surge coil cover, which protects against scratches and wear, extending the life of the detector. Despite its sturdy build, it remains relatively easy to assemble and use. User reviews highlight its accuracy and ease of setup. One reviewer praised its precise detection and solid construction, while another was impressed by how quickly they found items right after assembly. Overall, the Garrett ACE 400 is a reliable and efficient metal detector for hobbyists seeking consistent performance. Number 1. The Garrett Pro metal detector is a versatile and rugged all-terrain detector built for serious hobbyists who want performance in both land and water environments. Made in the USA, it's designed to handle a wide range of conditions, from dry fields to shallow rivers, thanks to its fully waterproof design up to 10 feet. One of its standout features is Pro Mode Audio, which includes proportional audio and tone roll. This allows users to better judge a target's depth and conductivity based on sound variations, giving more detailed feedback compared to basic detectors. Combined with digital target ID, users can more accurately identify metals before digging. The App Pro also offers high-resolution iron discrimination with 40 levels, helping to separate valuable items from iron debris. Its fast recovery speed improves target separation, making it easier to detect multiple objects in trash-heavy areas. These features make it especially effective in older sites where valuable items may be hidden among junk. Included MS2 headphones enhance the detecting experience by amplifying weak signals and reducing background noise. The Detector's durable aluminum build ensures long-term reliability in tough outdoor conditions. User feedback highlights its strong reputation. One user praised its reliability and excellent customer service from Garrett, while another beginner found it powerful enough to detect deeper targets and suitable for both new and advanced users. Overall, the Garrett Pro is a dependable, high-performance metal detector for those serious about treasure hunting. Thanks for watching our Best Garrett Metal Detectors Review 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and buying guides. Drop a comment below and tell us which detector is your favorite or what you'd like us to review next. Happy treasure hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.